Good morning, students. In this lecture, I want to solve some more problems on trapezoidal rule, Simpson 1/3 rule and Simpson 3/8 rule, students. The difference between the previous class and this class is, previous class we solved only the function in terms of x, students, the function in terms of x, but in this class the function is in terms of trigonometric function and exponential function. Okay, students, come on, write down the problem. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx with 10 equal parts by trapezoidal rule, and second one is Simpson 1/3 rule. Or students, Simpson 1/3 rule. Solution. What is lower limit, students, here? What is lower limit? A. So A is equal to 0. Let. And what is B, students? B is equal to pi by 2. B is equal to pi by 2. And what is f of x, students? F of x, sin x. F of x is sin x. Now what is h, students? What is h formula? H formula is b minus a by n. What is b here, students? Pi by 2 minus a value is 0 divided by n value is, students, what is n? N is equal to, he says 10 equal parts, students. So 10, n is equal to 10. So by 10, that is equal to pi by 2 into 10, students, 20. Now we get h is equal to pi by 20. H is equal to pi by 20. Now you draw the table, students. X, y. What is lower limit here, students? 0. You add, students, pi by 20 to 0. So pi by 20. Again you add pi by 20, students. So you get here 2 pi by 20. Again you add pi by 20. 3 pi by 20. Again you add pi by 20. 4 pi by 20. Again you add 5 by 20. So 5 pi by 20. Again you add pi by 20. 6 pi by 20. Okay, students, 6 pi by 20. And then 7 pi by 20. 8 pi by 20. 9 pi by 20. 10 pi by 20. Okay, students, 10 pi by 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 intervals, students. Okay, students, 10 intervals. Because here, see, students, here 0, 0 cancel. 0, 0 cancel. We get here, students, pi by 2. Pi by 2. Please remember, students, 0, 0 cancel here. Pi by 2. What is our upper limit, students? Upper limit is pi by 2. Okay, students, upper limit is pi by 2. Now x is equal to 0. So sin 0 value, students, 0. Sin 0 value is 0. Now rest of the values you calculate in the calculator, students. I already fixed at 2 decimal places and it converts into radians, students. What, students? Radians. So sin bracket pi means shift exponential, students. So we get pi there divided by 20, bracket close, that is equal, we get here 0.16, students, 0.16. Now 2 pi by 20, students. Now what you done here, you write 2 in place of 1, students. So 2 pi by 20, we get here 0.31, students, simple way. So 3 pi by 20, students. So 3, we write 3 in place of 2, students. We get here 0.45. and you write 4 students in place of 3, 0.59, and you write 5 students, 5 pi by 20, 0.71, and you write 6 students, 0.81, and you write 7 students, 0.89, and you write 8 students, 0.95, 9, 0.99, and 10. We get here to 10 means value is 1 students. 10 means the value is 1. Okay. What is this value, students? It is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8, y9, and y10. y10 students. Now the first method is trapezoidal rule. What, students? Trapezoidal rule. Right. Trapezoidal rule. Trapezoidal rule. What is our integration, students? Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx. That is equal to, what is formula, students? H by 2. H by 2. What is formula? y0 plus yn bracket plus 2 into y1 plus y2 plus and so on plus yn minus 1. What, students? yn minus 1 bracket close. So that is equal, what is h, students? Here h is pi by 2, sorry, pi by 20. So pi by 20 into, students, 2 bracket y0, students. Now I want to write again formula, students. y0 plus what is final value, students? y10 plus 2 into rest of the term, students, y1 plus y2 plus and so on up to, students, plus y9 bracket close. That is equal to pi by 20 into 2, 40 bracket close. y0, students, y0 value is 0 plus y10 value is 1 plus 2 into rest of the term, students, 0.16 plus 0.31 plus 0.45 plus 0.59 plus 0.71 plus 0.81 plus 0.89 plus 0.95 plus 0.99 bracket again bracket, that is equal to, all the value calculate in the calculator, students, at a time. So bracket shift exponential, we get pi, students, by divided by 40 bracket close. Again put bracket 1 plus 2 into 2 means it is bracket 0.16 plus 0.31 plus 0.45 plus 0.59 plus 0.71 plus 0.81 plus 0.89 plus 0.95 plus 0.99 bracket close, again bracket close. That is equal to, we get the value is 1 students. We get the value is 1 students. Now the second method is, what is second method, students? Simpson one-third rule. Simpson one-third rule. What is Simpson one-third rule, students? Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx, that is equal to h by 3, students. H by 3. What is h value, students? I want to write directly here. What is h value? Pi by 20. So pi by 20 into 3, students, into 3, h by 3. So into y0 plus, what is final value, students? y10 plus 4 into odd term students, y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus y7 plus y9 plus 2 into even term students, even terms, y2 plus y4 plus y6 plus y8. Okay students, y8. So that is equal to pi by 60 into y0 students, 0 plus y10, 1 plus 4 into y1, 0.16 plus y3, 0.45 plus y5, 0.71 plus y7, 0.89 plus y9, 0.99 plus 2 into even term students, 0.31 plus 0.59 plus y6, 0.81 plus y8, 0.95. Bracket close, again bracket close. That is equal to, you calculate the value at a time in the calculator students. Once again, so bracket, shift exponential, we get pi students, divided by 60, again bracket close, again bracket, 1 plus 4 into bracket 0.16 plus 0.45 plus 0.71 plus 0.89 plus 0.99, bracket close, plus 2 into, again bracket students, 0.31 plus 0.59 plus 0.81 plus 0.95, bracket close, again bracket, that is equal to, we get again students, the value is 1, again the value is 1. So this is the solution of the given problem students. Let us see the another problem on exponential function students. What students? Exponential function. Write down the problem students. Evaluate integral 0 to 2 e power minus x square dx using Simpson 1/3 rule, taking h is equal to 0.25. For students, h is equal to 0.25. This is very important problem students, because it is a previous year JNTUK examination question. So prepare carefully students. Right, solution. What is a here students? Let a is equal to 0 and b is equal to students 2. b is equal to 2. Given directly students, h is equal to 0.25. For students, h is equal to 0.25. And what is f of x students? E power minus x square. F of x is equal to e power minus x square. So you draw the table students here directly. X, y. What is lower limit students? 0. What is difference students? 0.25. So 0.25. We add 0.25 students, 0.5, again 0.5 students, 0.75, 1, and then 1.25, then 1.5, and then 1.75 and 2. Enough students, because upper limit is 2. Upper limit is 2. It starts from lower limit, ends from upper limit. So again you calculate this value in the calculator students. Okay, limit ln means we get e students, so minus 0 x square, we get here students, value is 1 students, value is 1. E power 0, always the value is 1 students. Now and then 0.25 x square, we get here 0.94 students, 0.94, and then 0.5, we get 0.78. Again you replace 0.75 with 0.5, replace 0.5 with 0.75 students in the calculator. So we get a 0.75, we get 0.57 and 1 student. This value is 0.37 students, 0.37, and then 1.25 students, 1.25 x square, we get 0.21, 0.21, and then 1.5 students, 1.5, we get a 0.11, 1.75, 75, 0.05, and then 2 students, 2, we get 0.02, 0.02. Okay, so this is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8 students, y8. Now what is our, we are using the formula students, Simpson 1/3 rule. So Simpson's 1/3 rule, Simpson's 1/3 rule, Simpson 1/3 rule. I want to write formula problem students, integral 0 to 2 e power minus x square dx, that is equal, what is formula students, h by 3 y0 plus yn, what is yn students here, y8 plus 4 into r term students, r terms, what are the r terms here, y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus y7 plus enough y7 plus 2 into even term students, even terms, so y2 plus y4 plus y6, bracket close. We substitute the value students here, substitute the values. So h by 3, what is h students here, 0.25, 0.25 by 3, y0 students, 1 plus y8, 0.02 plus 4 into y1, 0.94 plus y3, 0.57 plus y5, 0.21 plus y7, 0.05 plus 2 into y2, 0.78 plus y4, 0.37 plus y6, 0.11, bracket close. That is equal to you calculate the entire value at a time in the calculator students. So bracket 0.25 by 3, bracket close, again bracket, this value is 1.02 plus 4 into bracket, into bracket here, 0.94 plus 0.57 plus 0.21 plus 0.05, bracket close, plus 2 into plus 2 bracket, 0.78 plus 0.37 plus 0.11, bracket close, again bracket, is equal to, we get here students 0.89, or students 0.89, which is the required solution of given problem student. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.